Hi everyone, it's Bernice from Bernice's Reviews. I'm here to give my review about this reciprocating saw. This saw is so handy when it comes to pruning or any demolition work that you're doing in your home. Also for any other DIY projects. Has a brushless motor, RP, which allows it to be 75% more efficient than the other models, than the older models. It is cordless, which is absolutely phenomenal. You no longer have to fumble around with a cord looking for an outlet. You're able to go wherever you need to be without a cord limiting you. So your reach is much longer. You can go where you need to, and it just takes a battery. It's about 5 to 6 pounds in weight, and it can do anything such as cutting pipes. It can prune trees, PCP, you name it, it can cut it. This is such a handy tool, and I am so happy to have it, because it's just needed in the home when you're doing projects and upgrades. It has 2 speeds. It can go to 2300 SPM on low, best for metals and PCP, and reaches up to 3200 SPM on high, ideal for aggressive wood cutting. And it has a tool-free blade release, which is wonderful. You no longer have to search around for the tool to release it, and those are the older tools. So the newer features make it much more convenient, easier to get the job done without the added frustration. Because these blades can get hot, they can wear down depending on the task that you're working on. It's aerodynamic, and its compact frame, as I said, weighs 5 to 6.9 pounds. So if you're looking for a tool that's going to help you with pruning, cutting metal pipes or PCP piping, any job that you're doing in your home, it can cut through drywall, wood. If you're doing any kind of woodworking job, then consider this CRAFTSMAN's cordless tool. You won't be disappointed. This is a very nice tool, very handy as well. Thank you.